In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Facebook posts in Meta Business Suite. If you regularly reuse similar content, promote recurring offers, or want to save time instead of rebuilding a post from scratch, duplicating a post is a very practical feature. Meta Business Suite makes this process fairly simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can repeat it anytime you need. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to the Content section. This is where your published and scheduled content is organized, so it's the right place to manage existing Facebook posts. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're viewing the correct page or account if you manage more than one, since that will help you avoid duplicating the wrong content. Next, use the filter option to view a specific date range. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of posts and need to quickly narrow down the list. Instead of scrolling through everything manually, setting a date range helps you locate the original post faster. Choose the time period that includes the post you want to duplicate, and then let the list refresh so you can find it more easily. After you've found the correct post, click the three-dot menu beside it. This menu usually contains the available actions for that specific piece of content. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're selecting the menu attached to the exact post you want to copy. From there, move to the Manage Post option. This opens the next set of controls related to that post, and it's where Meta Business Suite gives you more detailed actions beyond the basic overview. Take your time here and confirm once again that you're working with the right post, especially if several posts look similar in the content list. Finally, click Duplicate Post. This will create a copy of the original post so you can reuse it without starting over. In many cases, you'll then be able to review the duplicated version and make any updates before publishing or scheduling it again. That can be useful if you want to refresh the caption, adjust the timing, or check that all media still looks correct, and that's it. Once you know where these options are, duplicating Facebook posts in Meta Business Suite becomes a quick and efficient part of your workflow. It's a simple way to stay consistent, save time, and repurpose content more effectively.